Want to protect your private files in Windows 11 without installing third-party software? Let's walk you through a simple but powerful method to create a password-protected folder using nothing but a batch file. The first step is to right-click on your desktop or inside any folder and then select New. From the drop-down list, choose Text Document. Open the new text document and then paste the code provided in the video description. This code is clean and safe. The next step is to customize your password. Inside the code, you will see a line that says, if not %pass %, your password go to fail. Replace your password text here with your desired password. It could be your favorite number, word or phrase. For my password, I'll be using just numbers. Once you are done, head to the top left corner and then click on File. Then you click on Save As. Name the file lock.bat and then under Save As type, click on it and then select all files. Once you are done, you click on Save. Now you can delete the original .txt file. You won't need it anymore. For the next step, let's create and lock our private folder. Double click on the bat file. A folder named private will be created automatically. Move any files or folders you want to protect into the private folder. So I would like to protect this folder, the PSN data, on my desktop. So I would just have to click, hold and drag into the private folder. Once I'm ready to lock it, I'll double click on the bat file and you'll be asked, are you sure you want to lock this folder? Just type Y on your keyboard and then press enter. Then the private folder disappears. It's now completely hidden and locked. And to access your hidden folder again, double click on the bat file. It will ask you to enter password to unlock your secure folder. Type in the password that you used inside the txt file. So I'll just enter my password and I'll press enter. Then the folder will reappear with all your files intact. That's it. You've just learned how to lock and unlock a folder in Windows 11 without any third-party apps. This method is perfect for hiding sensitive files or organizing private content in a secure way. Just remember your password. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with someone who might need to lock their files too. See you in the next tutorial.